Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am going to explain the important IUPAC name of organic compound for class 11th. Now this one is alkene related. This is alkene related, and now part 6 here. Already in part 4 and part 5 I have explained the IUPAC name of some important alkanes. Now also in part 6 here also I am going to explain some important IUPAC name of alkene. Now see here CS3 CS2, and here you can observe this is not a straight chain, but you can feel thus it is a branch chain. Okay, and now what happened? How can you make a longest chain? 1 2 3 4 5, or 1 2 3 4 5. This is as substituent group. Okay, 1 2, after 2 there is a double bond, that is 2 in, means after 2 carbon there is a double bond. Now here if I continue 1 2 3 4 5, that means here in 1 2 3, in 3 there is ethyl group. This is ethyl group. Then what happened? If I say this is an substituent group and this is the longest chain of 5 carbon, and that is why 3 ethyl pent means totally pent for 5 carbon, and after 2 there is a double bond, so pent 2 in, and there should be hyphen between pent and 2 and in. Now clear? Then come to other name. See, this is the longest chain. You can continue in this side or you can continue in this side. Which side is correct? Now you can observe 1 2, after 2 1 2 sorry 1 2 3, after 3 there is a double bond. Here also 1 2 after 2 3 there is a double bond. Then we count which side. See 3 ethyl, then you can see 1 2 3, this is ethyl, or you can say 1 2 3, this is ethyl. Hex 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means this is the 6 carbon, so hex, and after 3 there is a double bond, so it is 3 in. Longest chain is hex means 6, so hex 3 in, and the substituent group is ethyl, and the position 3 ethyl hex 3 in, and there should be hyphen between hex and 3 and E and E. Then come to the longest one. Here you can find which side is longest and how. Here there is a very long chain having so many branch substituent 1 2 3 4, after 4 there is a double bond, so 4 ENE, and 5 6, then 7, in 6 there is a methyl group, so 6 methyl, 8 9 10, that means here in 2 there is a methyl group, in 6 there is a methyl group, so it is 2 6 dimethyl. Okay, then come to in 4 position there is a ethyl group, so 4 ethyl. Okay, then come to here 4, after 4 there is a double bond, 4 ENE. Then which is the longest chain? 10 carbon, deck, and double bond 4 ENE, and 2 6 dimethyl, 4 ethyl. Now you can clear in 4 position ethyl group, 2 and 6 position methyl group, and the longest chain is deck 10, and after 4 there is a double bond, so 4 ENE. 4 in here deck, and 4 there is a hyphen, and 4 ENE there is a hyphen, so you can continue 4 ethyl, 2 6 dimethyl, deck 4 in. That means here you can see these are very important questions for board examination, already came in different board examination. That is why I am going to explain. So kindly see, already part 4 and part 5 I have explained different type of IPC name of alkene, which are very important for the board of examination point of view. Already they came in different examination, and here also you can observe these are also very important. Next I am going to explain other IPC names which are very important for the examination point of view. Now we refer other examples which are very important for board of examination. And now here for example like this here, here you can see it is a very big long chain, then what to do, you see this is a double bond, and here also one double bond. That means you can select it 1 2 3. One mean one CS3, and here one branch CS3, that means substituent CS3. So 1 2 into there is a CS3 group, this one will go here, and what happened here 5 6 7 7 8 8 here ethyl group means 2 carbon, 9 and 10, and that is a substituent group. The CS3 is a substituent group. So in 8 there is a branch that is called methyl. In 2 position there is a methyl group. So here 2 and 8 there are dimethyl, 2 8 dimethyl. Then after 1 2 3 3 there is a double bond. So and also here after shift there is a double bond. So it is 3 6 decadiene. Deca means 10. You count the carbon chain, that is 10. So deca. And how many double bond? 2 diene. So 3 6 decadiene. 2 8 dimethyl. 3 6 decadiene. And it looks like a very complex one, but again you think properly how will you select the longest chain selector, and this is branch a CH3 group, and here there is a CH3 group. Then now it is problem is solved here 9 and 10 because ethyl group contains 2 carbon. Next come to this is a bond formula where it indicate after 1 there is a double bond, after 3 there is double, after 5 and after 7 also double bond. How many double bonds are there? That is tetra, 1 2 3 4 tetra in. That means here tetra in, and here how many? 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7, and totally carbon is 8. That is why 1 3 5 7 octa tetra in, tetra 4 in means double bond. Then come to this one. You can observe it looks like a complex one, but what happened you can observe CH3 CH2 CH3 two times. So one way you select the longest chain and other one select the branch chain. CH2 double bond C, CH3 CH2 CH3, that is the longest chain, and here there is this one group that is called propyl group. So in two position that propyl group is there, 2n propyl pent, total carbon 5. So pent 1 in, because after 1 there is a double bond, after 1 there is a double bond, total carbon 5, and branch 1 longest chain 5, not total, you can tell the longest carbon chain pent, and propyl is the branch chain on position carbon 2. So it is 2 and propyl pent 1 in. Now here this is very simple, 1 2 3, 3 mean prop, and after 1 there is a double bond, so prop 1 in, and in 2 position there is a methyl group, so 2 methyl prop 1 in. Are you clear? 2 methyl prop mean 3 carbon, prop 1 in. Now see, this is also very simple, 1 2 3 4, 4 mean but, that means 4 carbon, and after 1 there is a double bond 1 in, and 1 2 3, in 3 there is a methyl group, so 3 methyl but 1 in. Again you can observe this looks like a very complex one, but you break as it possible 1 2 into this methyl group comes here, 2 methyl, and 3 4 5 6 7 8 there is a methyl, so 2 8 dimethyl. 1 2 3, after 3 there is a double bond, and after 6 there is a double bond, so diene. But what is the longest chain? Dec means 10, so decadiene. Here 1 after 1, also 3 5 7, there are double bonds are there, so 1 3 5 7, octa mean 8 carbon, tetra 4 in double bonds are there, tetraene. And here also CS2 double bond C, so here you can say the propyl group comes to as a branch 1, so propyl 2 N propyl pent means the longest carbon chain, and after 1 there is a double bond 1 in. And here you can see, you can observe, this is very simple. Prop 1 in 2 3 position methyl, 2 position methyl, 2 methyl, prop 1 in. Here 1 2 3, 3 position methyl, and after 1 there is double ENE, which one? Longest chain but, so it is 3 methyl but 1 in. I hope it is clear. And in part here of 4 5 and 6, this is 6, here I have explained the total the important IUPAC name of alkene, which are very very important in different board examination point of view. And I hope it is clear, and try as much as possible so many nomenclature for the alkane, and after that you can feel it is very easy. Hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also please like and share my channel. Thanks for watching my video.